हेलो एंड वेलकम टू क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट। मैं हूं सौम्य कपूर और मेरे साथ है साहिल मल्होत्रा। एंड साहिल, एक बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग सी अपडेट आपकी तरफ से आई है दैट युवराज सिंह इज लाइकली टू जॉइन द गुजरात टाइटंस फ्रेंचाइज एंड आशीष नेहरा इज लाइकली टू मेक वे फ्रॉम द फ्रेंचाइज। अब मेरा जो एक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग सा पॉइंट यहाँ पे आता है कि हमारे जो क्रिकेटिंग हीरोज है जिनको हम देख के बड़े हुए हैं, दे आर ऑल गेटिंग इनटू दैट कोचिंग स्टाफ. आशीष has been with GT. Yuvraj almost is likely to make his comeback to the IPL with GT. As in the coaching staff, Rahul Dravid probably can go there. Sachin has been there. Dada has been there. What do you make of this?
I think yes, kind of growing up, they were our cricketing heroes, cricketing idols, not just for us, but for plenty of Indians, who have grown up watching the game during that period, say probably the late 90s to the early 2000s, then that 2003 World Cup high, then the heartbreak in 2007, then the ultimate glory in 2011. So all these players, you've been seeing them as commentators, as experts, but slowly the trend is kind of changing. You're seeing more and more franchises expressing their wish and desire to have them on board to use their experience. On previous occasions, these players weren't really interested in a full-time franchise role or an Indian cricket team role. Rahul Dravid did that for a very long time. I think from 2015 to 2024. That's a very very long time with the Indian cricket team setup. यार मतलब वो under 19 से start हुआ, India A तक गया, NCA, then coaching the Indian cricket team. Then that extension when India didn't have a coach in place after his contract got expired. So all those things, right? And now we are hearing strong murmurs of Yuvraj Singh probably throwing his hat in that mentor. Not Yuvraj actually throwing, but a franchise kind of showing interest. Conversations are likely to start. They haven't yet started. But there is interest. There are discussions. There are considerations. Primarily because another coach who did so well, Ashish Nehra, is likely to kind of move on from the franchise. And what a journey he has had with Gujarat Titans. So if that becomes official, that GT actually make way for someone in the coaching setup, so you might as well see Yuvraj Singh there. But it's not just about Yuvraj or Ashish Nehra or any other. It's just about that generation of cricketers. Mohammad Kaif we have seen in the DC dugout in the past. Ganguly we are seeing right now.
And now Gautam.
And Gautam Gambhir in the Indian dugout after doing so well for KKR, then LSG in the previous editions, where I think twice LSG qualified for the playoffs under
LSG,
GT. So that's no ordinary achievement there, and what they've achieved as cricketers, now they're doing the same as coaches, as mentors. So definitely puts us on that nostalgia trip when we see them in the park. And I still watch these players bat and bowl when they play those different legend leagues, which are outnumbering the current cricketers leagues right now. But it's good fun watching them, and the IPL is definitely going to see a lot more cricketers which we have grown up watching as heroes in action, probably as a mentor or as a coach.
We have grown watching these legends playing, representing the country, doing so well for the country. बात आती है जो यंग लड़के हैं उनके लिए कितना ही बड़ा एक्सपोजर है यार। एक फ्रेंचाइज में युवराज, एक में अभी आशीष अभी भी हैं, एक तरफ गौतम गंभीर, NCA में आपके पास या इंडिया अंडर 19 में आपके पास राहुल द्रविड़ थे, नाउ अ फ्रेंचाइज, दादा इन अ फ्रेंचाइज। कितना ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर है बिकॉज दे हैव ट्रैवल्ड द वर्ल्ड, दे हैव वन द वर्ल्ड। सो कितना बड़ा एक्सपोजर होता है यंग जो लड़के आ रहे हैं उनके लिए सीखने के लिए।
I think big exposure there. You just can't buy what they are learning from these greats anywhere. You can put any amount of money on the table. You just wouldn't get the experience which these cricketers bring to the table. Primarily because they've travelled the length and breadth of the world to just play cricket, to soak in that pressure, to deliver when the pressure was on them, how to deal with the pressure and chances of doing well in a World Cup when same amount of teams are fighting for that ultimate glory, ultimate title. All these things, and it's the pressure is immense, and these cricketers, they should be blessed and feel gifted that they have presence of players like these in the dugout.
Just last one thing, a fun question. If you would want a cricketer in any of the coaching staff or in any of the franchise or in the NCA or under 19, इस जो present lot है जो 30-35 क्रॉस कर चुका है, वो कौन सा क्रिकेटर होगा आपके लिए?
I think Yuvraj Singh and Zaheer Khan are two cricketers who I would really like to be involved in any of the coaching setup. I don't know which franchise, where they go, what they want in life, but I would certainly want to see more of them actively, because we've seen Yuvraj mentor the likes of Shubman Gill and Abhishek Sharma, Anmolpreet Singh and Prabhsimran Singh, Punjab boys who've been doing so well for themselves, for their career. So I hope these two cricketers, Zach and Yuvraj, end up in one dugout or the other.
well, rightly said. We are their fans और हम लोग as I said हम लोग इन्हीं को देख के बड़े हुए, इन्हीं के मैच विनिंग परफॉर्मेंसेस को देख के बड़े हुए, and we just hope they पास ऑन द बैट इन अ डिफरेंट वे और सीखने को मिले यंगस्टर्स को और इंडियन क्रिकेट आगे बढ़े. वेल, थैंक यू सो मच साहिल फॉर योर इनसाइट्स. और ऐसे इंसाइटफुल वीडियोस के लिए हमें इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक और ट्विटर पे फॉलो कर लीजिए और क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब
Cricket next.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.